What? Why? Why are you being unfriendly? Stop it! Stop barking at me. Morning guys, and welcome back. I'm in Lampang at the moment. I'm at the Sky Temple, and I can't remember the name of what the hell. Okay, something. Okay, so something behind me is making this weird noise. I'm in Lampang, and I got here a couple of days. It's a really nice town. It's actually it's only a small town, and again, I'm the only foreigner here, so it's actually really good. But where I am now, I'm at the Sky Temple. It's about an hour north of Lampang. I can't remember the Thai name for it, so I'll put it down below. I've just got to work out how to get up there. Apparently you've got to... So what I need to do now is... There's dogs everywhere. And they're not very friendly either. What I need to do now is get a song tower to a certain point, and then I can walk up. So I'm going to try and sort that out now and make my way up. But it's a pretty big mountain, so it's a huge mountain, and there's some chetties on top, so it should be nice. I'll get the drone up and get some view as well. But I'm going to go find out how I get up there, and I'll see you when I get started. It wasn't as bad as I thought. I thought I was going to have to climb right up this mountain, but it costs 270 baht, which is around 10 Australian dollars. You pay to get in, but you also pay for a song tower taxi to take you up the mountain. And the mountain, I put all my trust in this driver, because the mountain, the road up was like really narrow and really steep, and there was just like a cliff face drop. So if he had have slipped or gone off the edge, we would have been dead. So I put all my faith into him, and he did really well. But they drop you off at a point where you walk up. So it's 840 meters up the mountain from this point. So I've still got to walk about 1 kilometer up. So I've got to the point now where I just follow the stairs. So it's basically just been a concrete path along the mountain, but now I've got some stairs to climb up. So just to give you an idea, if you can see it. So there's the mountain that I need to climb up, and just the stairs up here. So 540 meters from this point. Alright, let's go do some stairs. Oh look, it's Chicken Boy. At least there's not as many stairs as there was at the Tiger Temple in Krabi, because that almost killed me. So if you haven't seen the video of the climb up there, I'll stick it up here, so you can check that out if you like. Alright, I'm gonna keep walking and keep trying not to have a heart attack. There's a big blowfly. So I've just got to a little rest stop. Ugh, go away. I hate flies. So I'm just at a little rest stop, and I'm gonna have a drink in a minute because I'm thirsty. it's still really smoky, but you can kind of get a little bit of an idea of how high up I am. But that's the only thing wrong with the but that's the only thing wrong with this time of year up in the north. You just get, because it's smoky season, everyone does their burning off, and so I'm getting distracted by this fly. So everyone does their burning off, and it just fills the whole north of Thailand with smoke. But you still get a little bit of a view, but it just makes it that little bit extra. It just makes it that little bit harder to breathe because you've got all that smoke. So I'm gonna have a drink of water and then keep walking up, but I think halfway. All right, I need a drink. Oh, it kind of missed a step. It kind of makes you a bit dizzy because you're walking up the stairs and then you turn around and you got this in front of you, and then when you look up, it kind of gives you a little bit of vertigo. But I'm going to concentrate on climbing these stairs. Oh wow, it's a little archway. No, bridge. That's what it is, a bridge. I nearly made it. I'm at sort of like a top level, and there's like a little shrine and a couple of things up here, but the pagodas are still a little bit up the top. I think you can see it up there. So I'll keep walking. That fly has followed me up here the whole time. I must stank or something. Alright, let's keep going. Please do not release the drone. Are you kidding me? I didn't see that sign. Didn't see that sign, sorry. I made it to the top. I'm really disappointed that you can't see that view because it's amazing. It's really smoky and you can only just see it. Alright, I'm going to get the drone up and see what I can see. So there's no drone footage, unfortunately. I don't know what the problem was. I don't know if it's because I'm too far out in sort of the middle of nowhere and there's not any GPS, so every time I went to take off my drone just kept doing this and wanting to crash. So there was no way I was going to risk taking it over the mountain and then having it fall out of the sky. But I mean, the funny thing is it's so smoky up here, you really wouldn't have seen much with the drone anyway. Probably seen a little bit of the mountain, but that would have been about it. So alright, I'll go check this other pagoda and then I'll make my way back down. Oh well, apart from not being able to get the drone up, it was actually pretty nice. Just back up there where I was, where you had all the flags and the shrine and everything, that was really nice. It was kind of, sorry, I'm watching the steps to make sure I don't fall down. It was really nice. There was a little bit of a breeze, so all the wind chimes were chiming and the flags were sort of like flowing, and it was actually nice and cool up there. Ooh. Whoops. It was actually nice and cool up there. So even though I couldn't fly the drone, it was still a good day. So I'm going to make my way down now and head back to the car. If there's anything else I can see on the way, I will stop and have a look, but I don't think there is. I think it's pretty much just middle of nowhere, so there's not much around other than this. I leave Lampang tomorrow and fly to Bangkok and then go to Ayutthaya for a few days. So I'll see you in Ayutthaya. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, all that, you've heard it before. I will see you in Ayutthaya. Alright, I'm going to go home and have a rest because it's bloody hot. See ya. You better stop.